Hello and welcome. Today, I'm so excited to show you how to make a molded leather cigar case. I will not only show you how to make the case, but also how to make the wooden mold, so you will be able to make your own molded cases from scratch. The case I am going to make will hold 2 cigars of Rain Gauge 50, but you can make the case for 3 or 4 cigars and in a larger size if you wish. I ordered these 2 wooden cylinders online with a diameter of 20 and 25 millimeters. And here are the 2 molds that I will use to shape the case. I chose a beige tan leather with a thickness of 2.5 millimeters. The thickness is important because the 2 parts of the case must fit together well. I am punching the stitching holes on all the parts as usual, 2.5 millimeters from the edge. Let's assemble now. Everything with contact adhesive. And let's do some stitching. In order to make the leather malleable for shaping, I deeply soak it into water. I can now shape it on the mold. I use my bond folder to finish the shaping and to make sure the stitching is closely following the straight edges of the mold. This time I will opt for a natural finish of the edges. I'm going to lightly moisten the edges with water and sand them in several stages with progressively finer sandpaper. "24 hours later, after waxing the grain of the leather to give it a little shine, I can remove the whole thing from the mold. And here is the finished product. What do you think about it? Tell us in the comment if you have another technique in mind to make this kind of product. That might be interesting. And here is another case I made a long time ago for 3 cigars. It can also be a good idea to add a bucket for a cutter. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to activate the little bell to receive a notification when I will post the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.